everyone. Welcome to Wellbeing by PBN. This is Life Coach Ishneet Sharma from Soul to Soul Talk with Ishneet. I welcome you all, and we are talking about well-being. So how can we miss inner peace, right? Inner joy, our inner wisdom. We are going to talk today about our inner joys, inner peace. It is a very important thing in your well-being. If you are internally peaceful, then automatically your well-being will be taken care of. So what you have to do for your inner peace? There are a few things which are very important, which you must take care of when you are talking about inner peace. Inner peace means an awareness, a calmness inside. Whenever a thought arises, there is some kind of commotion in our mind. If the thought is positive, it's an excitement. If the thought is negative, it's a low feeling. What are the low feeling thoughts? Let's discuss that. Low feeling thoughts are guilt, shame, uncomfortableness, something which does not bring joy to you. And what are the things which bring joy to you? What is the feeling of inner peace? The feeling of inner peace comes when you have the awareness of the right kind of thoughts, when your thoughts are positive, when you are thinking about uplifting things. Joy, happiness, contentment, satisfaction, these are the things that bring you inner peace. So to work towards our inner peace and to work on our well-being, what we have to take care of? We have to take care of all the thoughts that we have. It is very difficult to keep a track of 50,000 thoughts a day. It is practically not possible. So what should we do? We should check our feelings, how we are feeling. If we are feeling joyful, if we are feeling happy, if we are feeling at peace, that means we are taking care of our inner self. How can we look after inner self? We discussed in a few videos before this that inner peace can be taken care of when we do affirmations, when we are grateful, when we are in love. So inner peace can also be taken care of when you are minding yourself. Mindfulness is very, very important. And what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is awareness. आपको पता भी नहीं चलता कि सांसें चल रही हैं. You never realize that you are breathing. It is so smooth. God has made these things so beautifully. So similarly, what happens is when you are not having any jerk in the day, when you are not feeling anything that is keeping you upset, that is, giving you a feeling of lowness, that means you are completely comfortable. So till next time, take care of your inner peace and enjoy your inner peace, because it's very, very important for your well-being. I am signing off. This is Life Coach Ishneet Sharma from Soul to Soul. If you have any questions or queries regarding your inner peace and you want any guidance on that, you can leave in your comment box your question, query. I'll answer it. Take care. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.